There are just 3 steps to go from being a beginner at using AI tools like Googlebot and ChatGPT to being a pro who uses these tools to save some extra time and energy and use it in other things to make his or her life better. Starting with number 1, writing good prompts. Number 2, applying those prompts in relevant situation. And number 3, developing our learning plan. So in this video, we will discuss each one of these steps in detail. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Vishal. I'm an AI entrepreneur. I help businesses automate their workflow with the help of AI to make your workflow efficient and save some extra money. You can go ahead and email me at this email address. So let's start from very start. Level 1, beginner. At this beginner level, तुम्हें नया ChatGPT या बाकी AI tools के बारे में पता चलता है, and you start to use them quite frequently every now and then. Problem is whenever you use these tools, let's say तुम्हें email लिखना है, you get a very generic answer which almost feels like unusable and very robotic. To fix this problem and progress at next level, we need to know about 8 components that make up a good prompt. Task, context, example, persona, format, tone. हर एक component का एक order of importance होता है. For example, तुम कोई भी prompt लिखो, task डालना mandatory है. But अगर persona, format, tone की बात करें, तो काफी cases में ये optional होता है. मैं इसके बारे में मैंने डिटेल वीडियो में बात कर रखी है. तुम आई बटन पे क्लिक करके उस वीडियो को देख सकते हो. But अभी के लिए just know that you don't have to use all 6 components every single time. जो ऐसे जैसे तुम इन AI tools को यूज करने में used to हो जाओगे, you will understand कि कौन सा component किस prompt में यूज करना है और कितना यूज करना है, and if at all तुम्हें कोई component यूज करने की जरूरत है या नहीं. But for now, as a beginner, whenever you come across a prompt, say if you can break it down into 6 components. Let's take an example. Explain thermodynamics in simple terms. Explain to me as if I'm a beginner. इस prompt में हमारे पास task है, context है, but all other prompts are missing. इसीलिए हमें बहुत ही generic सा output मिला है. So let's refine this prompt. You are a tenured college professor in the field of thermodynamics. This is persona. Explain thermodynamics in simple terms. This is task. Explain to me as if I'm a college freshman. This is context. Use 8th grade English. And this is tone. यहाँ पर हमें फॉर्मेट की जरूरत नहीं है, so we can skip that. So as you can see, we have got such a good output from ChatGPT. So just knowing this 6 component can make you such a good prompter. Believe it or not, prompter is actually a word in dictionary now. Now let's move on to next level, that is intermediate level. We need to learn how to use these prompts in real life to get the actual value out of it. So यहाँ पर मेरे 2 स्टेप होते हैं. Step number 1, identify a task you must do which is repetitive. Step number 2, create and refine a prompt to help with that. Let me explain with an example from my own personal life. Look at this prompt. I'm a 70 kg male looking to maintain muscle mass. I can go to the gym 5 to 6 days per week and ideally for 50 minutes workout session. Please give me a training program based on the popular push-pull leg workout routine. Output should be in a table format so that I can easily paste this in a spreadsheet. So this is the result that ChatGPT has given us, and as someone who trains quite regularly, I can say this is a pretty good workout routine, and most of the people who go to gym would agree. लेकिन अगर तुम इस आउटपुट को ध्यान से देखो, एक छोटी सी दिक्कत है. जो भी पर्टिकुलर एक्सरसाइजेस हमें एक पर्टिकुलर डे पे करनी है, वो ओवर द वीक डिवाइडेड है. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ पुश पुल लेग कहीं ना कहीं टोटल बॉडी वर्कआउट बन जाता है. Now that we have an issue, let's rectify it. Let me insert an example to refine this prompt. I can go to ChatGPT and write, for example, a push day includes 5 to 6 exercises aimed at chest, shoulder, tricep. Now boom, this is the result I was looking for. Now I don't have to go on Google or YouTube and spend hours researching about different type of exercises, how many sets to do. Everything has been mentioned there. In fact, it has given me the result in a table format where I can simply copy and paste it into Google Sheets. तो ये सिंपल सा prompt लेके कहीं ना कहीं मैंने काफी लगा अपना टाइम और इनफैक्ट पैसा भी बचाया, क्योंकि बहुत लोग ये सिंपल सा प्रोग्राम क्रिएट करने के लिए चार्ज भी करते हैं. So tip, you can also give it further instructions. For example, I don't have a gym. Please give me body weight alternatives to these exercises. There you go. Now we have the body weight alternatives to all the exercises. Now if you are able to use ChatGPT and Googlebot in your day-to-day life to make your life easier, we can move on to next level. But before we move on to next level, if you are a student, business owner, or someone who just wants to learn about AI tools, you can schedule a one-on-one consultation call with me. Link is in the description. Moving on to advanced level, let's talk about sustainable learning program, which will help you keep getting better at using this AI tool. तो सबसे पहले you should create a prompt database जिसमें तुम सारे prompt सेव कर सको जो तुम frequently यूज करते हो, या फिर कोई नया prompt तुम डिस्कवर करते हो. जैसे इनफैक्ट तुम इस वीडियो से काफी ज्यादा जो मैंने prompts यूज किए उसे तुम सेव कर सकते हो और फ्यूचर में यूज कर सकते हो अपने हिसाब से एडजस्टमेंट करके. Another productivity tip, तुम prompts को उस जगह सेव करो जहां पर उसे यूज करने के चांसेस सबसे ज्यादा है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर कोई ईमेल है जिसे तुम डेली लिखते हो, देन यू कैन सेव एन प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर ईमेल इन जीमेल टेम्पलेट. ये तो बात हो गई प्रोडक्टिविटी की. But you should keep an eye on changing trends in AI world. Ideally, you should take some course to be updated every now and then. In fact, the consultation call that I provide, I'll talk about the exact same thing. So again, if you want that consultation call, link is in the description. Another way to keep yourself updated with this AI trends is to subscribe to newsletters. Just keep in mind that you have to stick with just one way and do it consistently. If you're looking for some recommendation, learnprompt.org is a great course. ये तुम्हें बिल्कुल ही बिगिनर लेवल से सिखाएगा और एडवांस लेवल तक ले जाएगा. अगर न्यूज़लेटर की बात करें, सुपर ह्यूमन ये मैंने खुद सब्सक्राइब कर रखा है, न्यूरल फ्रंटियर, रन डाउन, बिग ब्रेन, ये सारे न्यूज़लेटर को तुम ट्राई कर सकते हो. एक दो हफ्ता रखो, देन यू अंडरस्टैंड कौन सा अच्छा है कौन सा बुरा है, और तुम जो बुरे वाले हैं अनसब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो. एक बात ध्यान में रखना, टू लर्न एंड गेट गुड एट prompt engineering, and goal of the newsletter is to keep you updated with changing AI trends. Again, if you're interested in a consultation call with me, link is in the description. वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करो, किसी एक दोस्त का शेयर करो, कमेंट से जाके बताओ कि तुम्हें अगली वीडियो किस टॉपिक पे चाहिए. तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर, जय हिंद.